Hello everyone, welcome back to iExamB. Okay, I hope your preparation is going well. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss updates on the upcoming videos. We are here on day number 31. Now let's start with the question for the day. The utility function of x is such that she likes to consume 2 units of sugar with every cappuccino. The price of sugar is 0.5 and that of cappuccino is 9. What is the maximum utility of x given that her income is rupees 100? The options are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, now see, this kind of question, you have to find out what the exact utility is and then you have to maximize that utility. So sometimes you are not exactly given the function directly, you are given statements and you have to figure out how the utility function will look like from the statement. So suppose I denote S with sugar and C with cappuccino. Now it's said that the consumer likes to consume 2 units of sugar, okay, with every cappuccino, right? So how will my utility function look like? The utility function will be minimum of this, right? S comma 2C. Why minimum of this? Because see, minimum function, if I take this, means what? That S is equal to 2C, right? This would mean that, so Fs is equal to C and she likes to consume, it's written 2 units of sugar with every cappuccino, right? So 1 cappuccino mein she wants 2 sugar, right? So now if I take C to be 1, right? If you put in this equation, if I put C to be equal to 1, then how much sugar is it? Sugar will be 2, right? So this satisfies this statement that with every cappuccino she likes to consume 2 units of sugar. Hence, you can write this function as utility min of S comma 2C. Now, for minimum function, if you remember the formula, then it's well and good. You can quickly plug in the values in the formula to find what is going to be the maximum utility. So, for maximum utility, basically, you need to find the value of either S or C at the optimal, right? Let's find out what S is. So, if I have to find what the value of S is, right? What is my demand function for S? How will I get it? So I get it. See, let's say this is the coefficients here are A and B, right? So if I have to find the value of S, I will write this as B times M upon price of S times B plus price of C times A, right? Through this I will get my demand for S. So what is B here? B is 2. What is M? The income is mentioned to be 100, right? B is the coefficient here, right? And A is the coefficient here. So, and the price of S, the sugar is 0.5, right? So this is 0.5. B is again 2 plus price of coffee is 9, right? And what is A? A is 1, right? So I plug in this value, 200 divided by 1 plus 9, which is going to be 10. So we get S to be 20. Similarly, if you calculate C, right? If S is 20, you can use this equation. C is going to be what? C is going to be 10, right? So what is minimum of 20 comma 20, which is actually 20. So the max utility that you get is 20. 20 is the right answer in option D, right? I hope you understood this question. Now, see, I wrote a formula. Even if you don't remember this formula that I wrote, right? But it's better if you can, sometimes remember the formulas because it makes your calculation much faster in the examination. But even if you don't remember or you cannot recall the formula, then what you can do is you can use this, okay, S equals to 2C and you can plug it in the budget line equation. Budget line is what? PS times S plus PC times C is equal to M. I know the value of M, I know the prices, right? And instead of S or instead of C, I can write half of S. Any which way you use plug in either in place of S or C and then solve the equation. You'll get one of the values, and then by using this equation again you will get the other value, right? So this is the way to solve such questions. Keep preparing. If you have any queries, just give us a call or you can email anytime, and we are here to resolve your doubts, right? Thank you.